look at that. Look, beautiful underneath, nice top in here. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. That is pillow soft. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, dinner rolls. Soft, fluffy dinner rolls. Buttery, pillow soft. Can't give a better description than that. They're so easy to make. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. I have a bowl here for the stand mixer. Okay, now you can mix all this by hand. Not a problem by putting all that in there, mixing it all up, and then rolling out for about 10 minutes. I ain't going to do that. Chuck it all in here, mix it up. Use the stand mixer, mix it in about 7 to 8 minutes. No physical labor. Okay, bowl. I'm splitting the flour. Okay, I have 250 grams of bread flour and all-purpose flour. Folks say, why do you split the flour? I like pillow soft rolls. In there, sugar. In there, salt. Let's just give that a whiz in. Yeast. Whiz in. Nothing hard about this, is there? Right, that should be fully incorporated in there, look. Right, we want some wetting now. Want an egg? Want some butter. Now this is softened butter. In fact, it's nearly melted. And we want some milk. In there. We're going to whack that on the stand mixer. Nice and straightforward. And I'm going to chuck my dough hook on there. The wrong way around, but there you go. On there. Now people use a paddle attachment and all the rest of it, you know, but I use a dough hook. It's just as easier just to bring that up and set it off on low, let it all fully incorporated, and then increase the speed just a little bit. And we're going to knead it for about 8 minutes. So let that incorporate, and then we knead. Easy cooking. Okay, I think that's about got it. Listen to enough of that going round. Let's drop that down there. Let's have a look at that. Look at that in there, beautiful. It should be sticky, but not sticky. So let's get that dough off there. So let's just get that out of there. Nice and straightforward. It's a battle. Oh, that is what we call perfect dough. Look, it feels tacky. It feels soft, it feels springy, and it's not overly sticky. Right, we want to just scrape out that little bit in there. We want that, don't we? That's half a bread roll. Just bring it together like that with your hands. All you're doing is tucking it in like that. Nice and straightforward. That is our dough. Move that. Because I have just buttered out a thin bit of butter in there in this bowl, and that is going in there, and it needs to be covered to double in size. My trusty plastic bag. And that's it. We leave it to double in size. Put it somewhere warm, anything like that to help it come on its way depending on where you live. Double in size, then we can carry on. Okay, we've had about an hour and a little bit actually. Oh, look at that thing. That thing is enormous. Right, what we're going to do is turn this out onto here, and we're going to split it into our rolls. So let's have that out of there. Oh, fabulous. Knock it back just a little bit. We don't have to go crazy on this. just knock it back a little bit. And we want to be dividing this up. I'm using a 10 by 10 tray and I've lined it. So we want to be dividing this into 12 and they want to be about 73-75 grams each. So if we do that, start off with that's 73. That's 75. Okay, they're roughly the same. So what we're going to do is give them a little roll. Nice and straightforward this. Where we've put all that on there and joined it up, just turn it in with your fingers. Okay? And then on your work surface, push with your palm of your hand, pull back with your fingers and turn with your thumb. Nice and gently. And you have a rolled ball. There you go. Don't have to be so perfect. So again, tuck it in. On there and roll. Nice ball on there. Okay, so do that with all your dough. There you go, there's our dough balls on there. And then what we need to do is cover it up and let it rest and rise. We'll leave that for about another 40 minutes. We've had about 40 minutes on there. Let's have a look. Wow, look at those. Absolutely superb. That's what we're talking. Straight in the oven. The oven's been on at 180 degrees. In they go. So we're straight in there for about 18 to 22 minutes, somewhere around about there, 20 minutes. They smell absolutely fantastic. What a smell in here. Right, we're going to get these out. Look at those. Oh, there we have it. Look at those rolls. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Right, what we need to do when they come out, we've got to brush them with some melted butter. You don't even let them cool. You get that butter straight on. And there we have it, our perfect dinner rolls. All we got to do now is let them cool down. Let them have about 10 minutes in there and then we're going to take them out and put them on the rack. Fantastic. And there we go. Oh, look. Look at those. Sensational. So we just need to slide them off that paper that we lined the tray with and let them breathe on the tray, on the rack. That just shows how easy it is to make dinner rolls at home. They look absolutely fabulous. They smell wonderful. The whole place smells wonderful. Come on, they're not cooled down completely. They're still warm. But we need to be doing a tear and share. Look. Look at that. Oh, you're kidding me. They are absolutely outstanding. Come on, in here. Look at that. Look. Look, beautiful underneath, nice top in here. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. That is pillow soft. Look at that. Wow. And you know it's got to be done. Come on there. Little bit of butter. Let that butter melt. Come on. You know we got to get in on this. Look at that. Look how pillowy soft that bread is. Look at that. That is absolutely fabulous. Oh man. Oh, that is so good. Oh, so fresh, delicious. That butter on there. Oh man. Perfect dinner rolls. Look underneath. Perfectly cooked under there. Lovely, pillowy, soft bread. That is delicious. Covered in butter, look. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make dinner rolls at home. So soft. So fantastic. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.